Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change ink cartridges on your Canon Pixma printers. So before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. So guys, this is the printer TR7520, and as you can see, yellow color cartridge is in a bad shape that we have to place. So what we have to do, we have to move this up and hold. Okay, see, system is doing something. System is adjusting the cartridges and you have to wait until it stops and you get the message. Now it has given me the message, you can replace the ink tank. Okay, so here I have I'm gonna get a yellow one. Okay, I'm gonna remove the plastic. So I have removed the plastic and it is ready to go, and it's gonna go like this. But the first step is to remove the existing one. So what you have to do, you have to press here and take it out swiftly. See, it's empty, there's almost nothing inside. Now take this one and in the same way just push it. You hear the noise? Yeah, that's it, done. Please, and see, it's going through, but you have to wait. Okay, that's it. So that's it guys, it's now ready and now you can print. So that's how simple it is guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.